Excavator bucket lost again.
Look at me! I'm the best excavator! Oh no! I'm hurt! My bucket is gone! Oh no! Help me! Please!
Welcome to TinkerBot Repair Center. How can I help you?
Please look at me!
Oh my! I can fix you. Let's go to the repair room.
Okay.
First, I'll fix your arm. Let's smooth the bumpy parts. Now remove the scratches. And paint it nicely. Next, I'll give you a brand new bucket. All done. Now it's cleaning time. Vehicle size large. Dirt level medium. First, rinse with clean water. Add lots of bubbles. Rinse the bubbles away. Time to blow dry with the fan. And finally, wax and polish. All finished.
Thank you, TinkerBot. I need to hurry back to the worksite. Bye-bye!
You're welcome. Be careful next time. Goodbye. Have a safe trip.
Whoa!